Yes, so we have the grand opening of a mini pitch, and we partner with U.S. Soccer Foundation so that way kids can play on this mini pitch for free.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, well, I think it's all about getting more access to soccer for kids in this country. When you think of soccer, the game thrives in suburbs, in areas where families have resources to transport their kids to a full-size, beautiful soccer field. Where the opportunity lacks is in areas where there's not space readily available. And so mini pitches are just this wonderful solution to that problem. They're kind of small-sided soccer spaces that can easily be installed in more urban areas that can allow for kids to walk to them. And just by proxy of that, it makes the game so much more accessible, and it gets kids playing this game for the first time. And we hope that, with spaces like this and exposure to the game, as we know, sports are such a life-changing opportunity for kids. Yeah. And so the more opportunities we can create for kids to participate, that's our mission. We do our best to, locate these mini pitches in areas of need and where there's kind of lower resources provided. And so, this part of the greater Atlanta area is a really good fit for that. And we think that, this mini pitch is going to bring a lot of exposure to soccer to this community. I think we've installed over 800. We're all over the country. And I think with Genesis, I think this is our, fourth?
Yes.
Fourth one.
In 2022, we developed a CSR initiative called Genesis Gives to align with the performance and the athletic elegance and design. And that's where we have partnered with U.S. Soccer Foundation. Now, Zach was talking about locations where there may not be a room enough to have soccer fields and so forth. Late last year, we worked together to have one in Staten Island, New York.
Oh, wow.
So in New York, there's not a lot of space, but we're giving them that opportunity, and U.S. Soccer Foundation has been a great partner with Genesis. It's important to give back, and the children are our future.
From our standpoint, the World Cup puts the spotlight on soccer unlike any other opportunity. And so it's a big time for the U.S. Soccer Foundation. And that's why we're so excited to partner with companies like Genesis right now to bring, more attention to the game and lead up to the World Cup. Yeah, our mission isn't necessarily to develop the next, great world soccer players. Obviously, it'd be wonderful, if that comes out of our programming. But largely, we're trying to leverage the game for more social good.
Yeah.
Promoting positive things like education and, peer-to-peer relationships and all the life lessons that you can learn through sports.
Yeah.
We've got a lot coming up, definitely in lead up to the World Cup. I don't know specifically which is the exact location of our next install, but yeah, we'll be popping these up all over. In order to make these happen, we have to find sponsors like Genesis who are generous enough to partner with us to do it, and then we work with those sponsors to identify communities where we want to put these in, and then we have a team of people that will go out into the community and find the right spaces.